Everyone online is talking about these blankets that fold into flower bouquets, pulling over 50 million views and exploding across TikTok and Pinterest. But before you spend $35 on a Bloomie blanket, especially after they slashed the price from $70 for Black Friday, let's break down what's really happening behind the scenes and whether this trend is a thoughtful gift or just another recycled dropshipping play. As soon as I started digging, it became clear that Bloomie Blankets follows the exact pattern used by the GG blanket operation that scammed over 125 customers back in 2018. From the identical product photos used across dozens of pop-up websites to the suspicious marketing language that appears copy-pasted from site to site, the delivery timelines raise eyebrows too, with 3 to 5 week shipping times, classic signs of overseas fulfillment, despite the website hinting at fast, reliable delivery. There's also the psychological pricing trick. Dropping from $70 to $35 sounds like a huge deal, but it's structured to create false urgency, especially when the product targets emotional gift givers looking for something meaningful for mothers, anniversaries, and special occasions. On top of that, the site has zero real review history, while other bouquet blanket sellers have consistent complaints about items arriving much smaller and thinner than advertised, often with cutout labels and cheap material typical of mass-produced Chinese factories. When compared with what customers expect, full, plush blankets arranged like premium bouquets, the results many buyers report online feel like a completely different product altogether. Combined with the Better Business Bureau records documenting similar complaints tied to nearly identical blanket bouquet businesses, the pattern becomes hard to ignore. So, if you're thinking about buying Bloomie blankets, this review breaks down everything you need to know before making a decision, showing exactly what consumers are actually getting versus what the ads promise.